In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your LinkedIn follower count in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or just looking to understand more about your network, discovering how many individuals are following you can provide valuable insight into your professional reach and influence on this powerful platform. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. To get started, you'll first need to open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Simply type linkedin.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the LinkedIn homepage where your professional journey awaits. Once the LinkedIn homepage loads, you'll need to sign in. You have a few options here. You can sign in with your Google account, use your Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address along with your password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before you can proceed. But for today, let's work with the assumption that you already have an account set up and ready to go. Now that you're logged in, you should see your home feed. To access your profile, look towards the top navigation bar. Here, you'll either see your profile picture or your name. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to your profile page, where you can manage all aspects related to your professional identity on LinkedIn. As you land on your profile, you'll notice your profile picture, name, and headline taking center stage. Just beneath this, LinkedIn typically displays a snippet of your network, which includes your number of connections and followers. This is where you can take your first quick peek at how many individuals are engaged with your content, but we want to get more detailed information. Next, look for the number prominently displayed under your name, which signifies your follower count. By clicking on this number, LinkedIn gives you instant access to who is following you, but there's more you can explore. To dive deeper into your activity and engagement levels, you'll want to scroll down to the section labeled Activity. Here, find the link that says See All Activity and click on it. This section not only highlights how many followers you have, but also provides a dashboard of your interactions, posts, and other important metrics that show how your presence is resonating with others in your professional network. And there you have it, a simple, easy to follow guide to finding your LinkedIn follower count. This insight can help you evaluate how your professional brand is developing over time and even identify opportunities to enhance your network, reaching new contacts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most of your LinkedIn experience.